marked where I'm going to excavate. Is 7 cubic, so quite a bit of dirt. Get it out. Still got a little bit to level out, so one more drill. So went to the gravel pit here and got 2.5 more tons of dirt. And they only charge $22 a ton. So it's really cheap. Now if you get a deliver, I believe they charge like $150 plus the dirt. A flat rate $150, and you can get up to like 9 tons. But this is the second trip, and using this gorilla cart, which holds about 7 cubic dirt, probably take about, I would say about 15 dump trips, and then we'll get the power done. But yeah, I'm just using that, as you can see from earlier videos, just to fill the space. You take a shovel, you know, up in here, pretty quick. Yeah, you can get a dump, you know, hire a dump truck come out. But why not use this in your tractor? I got the roller hooked up to the tractor, and it's not that hard. But this part is probably the hardest. Shoveling it, you see how you jump in there, and you can see I put tarp around here. You know, you can see I put tarp in here so it won't get so messy either. But yeah. Not too bad, you know, like every project, material is pretty cheap. It's the labor when you start hiring people that gets expensive. So if you have the time and the health to do it, I recommend doing it. Doing it yourself. You save a lot of money. Plus, you know, you stay healthy too. But of course, you don't want to hurt yourself, right? Here, look at that. This is my second trip. And I already got a little bit, half the pile. I wouldn't say half, but quarter of the pile, almost empty. Start it up. You guys can see here all the dirt. 6 tons total, about 6 tons of dirt last couple of days. And here what I'm doing is I'm trying to level out. There's a small dip. You can see just from the tractor when they were doing the cement, the tractor going down back and forth, kind of dipped it a little bit more. So I'm just even that out. And then over here, you see the island, and over here, try to raise it up too a little bit so that when it rains, it won't overflow into this area as much. You can see the different type of grass. That's like almost like a swamp grass because it's so wet down there. It's really fine. I'm trying to separate the regular grass from the swamp grass. If I raise it up a little bit, this grass will not actually grow into my yard. So over here you can see putting on a pile of dirt to kind of smooth out the dip. It is a steep dip. You can see we're just standing here. So I'm trying to make it a little bit more even so that there are people or kids or my kids, they won't trip or fall. And over here there was still a little dip, so I'm trying to level up some more. You see on the side here. And tonight we gotta water the grass a little bit some more. But we did see this, it was yesterday. It's work in progress. It's getting there. Hopefully we get done before summer. I think we will. Before we anchor the pergola, we still have to put the louvers and then we have to anchor, but we have to wait 28 days. This is first week Friday since last Friday is when we laid down that cement patio. But it's getting there, looking good. A lot of people are complimenting, giving a little thumbs up on this island. Gives a little bit character, you know. Especially even the golfer too. When they golf, they just don't see the wall of this house, and they don't hit it, of course. But yeah, another day, another project done. Might later level that out with a rake. And these areas, just a little small dip from a water bounce houses, the kids playing, and you have water coming constantly for a couple hours. It's gonna take the dirt away, you know, and create dips in the grass. Grab some hay. Let's make the hay. I'm watering it. The wife's over there is watering it. You just get it soap. You don't want to get where it starts draining off. So you watch your seeds and stuff. Do that for the next couple of days, and then see what germinate. You have some grass. the patio is kind of angled this way so the water will run off here. Got from ourselves, and then if you hire somebody,